After the pandemic, men fled to the hills, desperate for survival. A new generation was born. Kaichi, Kinchu, Jolin, and the five elements were game style mastered by these warriors. But in the rage for power, there was chaos. Wars raged, and from the ashes, a new breed rise, and the talisman was forged. Now, whoever bears the chalice holds the power to change the world forever.
Tai Chi Kung Fu, the Earth's fundamental forces, are tapped via the 8 octograms. The whole body is in balance. A change in emphasis in one part of the body will affect a countering change in another part. The routines are incredibly difficult to learn, and few either qualify or have the strength to learn Tai Chi Kung Fu. Finally, all parts of the body are coordinated and fused so that it acts like a single but complex muscle. The result is fantastic strength and control. Every ounce of the body's strength can be transformed instantaneously to one single part. He who would attack Tai Chi Kung Fu must expect to die. No normal fighter has ever beaten the technique, and many have died trying. And yet, the Tai Chi expert is not completely invulnerable. There is always one weak point, both in the learner and in the master. With the body's 108 strategic points, the vulnerable point can be moved at will.
You wanna fight? Yeah! Fight me!
That's the crane style.
That's the Tai Chi style.
Let's get that sword! Right?
My name's Chow Lu Feng. I've been here 8 years, but I haven't seen anyone fight as well as you. May I please ask your name, sir?
My name's who?
Oh,
General. I'm just a peasant.
I doubt that. I've seen how good your techniques are. You're a kung fu expert, and peasants don't become experts. You have my respect, good sir. Now, there is one favor I would like to ask you. If you would be kind enough to let me examine that fine sword.
Sure. General Chow, please.
First class. First class.
It is a fine sword. Too good for its owner. Well, General Chow, thanks for your time. I must go.
Goodbye.
Now, please wait. I'm the examination officer for Mr. Liu. I recruit his assistants.
Yeah, Mr. Liu? Is that the Mr. Liu who once defeated the Japanese?
That's him. Right now, he's most worried about the Ming government. And that's why he's asked me to recruit some suitable warriors. And you, with all your skills, you seem just right. Exactly what I'm looking for.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. Now, let's drink. To the Mings. Drink up.
He has 108 pressure points. Main one's 36. Mine are 72. The most vulnerable: eye, mouth, nose, throat, ear, and groin.
Damn you. Well, what now? Now you die here.
Persons who are expert at Tai Chi Kung Fu have only one. And that one can be moved and be varied at will. So, if you ever intend to fight such a man, you have to try and find out his weak spot first. And even so, you have to fight very well, and need lots of luck too. In fact, your chances of winning are quite slim. Most likely, you will be killed.
Who do I do?
My boss.
Have a seat. There, that's 50 cents.
Are you kidding?
A perfect little trim.
It's too stylish. Makes him look way too slick. Like a fruitcake. Don't get all worked up, boss. He's an old buddy. Let me handle this. He's the boss of the notorious Axe Gang. We're killers. Chiefs command respect should look like they come from the gutter. Got that?
No.
Of course not. You're an idiot. But I like you. So, give me what's in the till and we'll call it even.
Nuh-uh.
Whoa! Hold the axes, boss. He's about to see the light. Look, kid, I'm on your side. I'd hate to see your face get pushed in. So how about we settle for a little less? Let's make it enough for a couple of drinks.
Aha, so your thing is extortion.
The butterfly fit. Do you know any other styles?
I'm sorry. I've learned so many styles. Forgive me.
The study of Kung Fu fighting is ongoing. Don't ever hope to master all of them.
Hey, that smells good. What do you say we split it 50-50?
You!
You can't move fast enough, and you don't have enough strength. It's too easy for me to trip you up. Smells good. It looks tasty, too. Should be nearly done.
Yes, it is done.
Ah.
Hi!
Easy now. No need for that. Hand it over to me. Come on now.
How did I get in this? Does anybody know? My back! It's broken. The gang! Call the gang!
Hey!
Master, let me be a student, and I'll give you a chicken.
Hey, you!
Oh, good, Master.
You're a disloyal knave. How dare you help him to cheat me? Explain it now.
Grandmaster.
I know what you're up to. I'm warning you, I have basic rules. I drink plenty of wine, and I eat red meat, and I take no students.
Oh, I'll just have to eat all this chicken.
Hold it!
Don't try taking it from me. I'm not giving it to you. You can't have it. You can't have it.
Hey, watch out for the chicken.
Parson's nose.
Hey, quick, watch his moves.
All right.
You okay? You
I'm
okay?
all right. I'm all right. Go on.
Go on, go on. Hey, how was it? How much did you learn?
To learn iron armor, one starts with the breathing. For controlling the pressure of one's breath, there are 8 methods. When one has mastered all these, one can then control the air circulation at any point within the whole of the body. Then the body is completely protected, and thus invulnerable. However, though, there must always remain the breath gate, one unprotected point. Iron armor, of all the kung fu techniques, is the most mysterious. With it, one can stand blows from swords and stabbings from spears. One is invulnerable. In fact, it involves strenuous breath control, and of all techniques, it's the most difficult. The human body has 108 pressure points. 36 of these can be fatal, the remainder paralyzing.
this suit?
The Eagle Claw was devised by Yu Fei in the Ming period. It has 108 patents. These were developed from 50 basic attacks. This fighting style concentrates on the bones, sinews, muscle, and the more fragile joints. All of the technique's power lies in the fingertips. The touch must be at once gentle and yet like an iron vice. The tactics in the Eagle Claw is to wait until the antagonist pauses. At that point, he will change his breath control. And that's when the Eagle Claw strikes. That's what he's waiting for. The Eagle Claw is the deadliest of all techniques.
Five elements, and first the gold.
I'd like you to tell me. I'll have to put the question another way.
And now we'll see how good you are. Not strong enough. Well, my friend, ready to die? Now let's try the wood technique.
But the earth overcomes wood.
I don't think your earth can overcome anything.
Captain Wang, you mean you were no match for one defenseless girl? I suppose you've got an excuse.
It's all my fault. I never expected this old monk to show up. He was too good for me. Otherwise, she'd be dead already.
A monk from Shaolin? What was his name?
I'm sorry. I forgot.
Forgot? I can't really blame you. But little wonder we're having trouble.
Master, shall we attack?
No, not yet. We must kill the girl. We can't have...
Are you ready to die now?